Hi, I'm Megan Clubb, President and CEO of Baker Boyer Bank, and welcome to our mid-year 2010 video update. Back in late 2008, when the financial industry was in chaos, I made a promise to you to keep you updated on how we're protecting your money. I also made a commitment to advocate on behalf of small businesses, small communities, and the community banking system. Well, it's been a wild ride, and our still very fragile economy is showing some signs of improvement. I am pleased to tell you that the recent regulatory reforms have set a precedent, recognizing that community banks should not be treated the same as the largest, most riskiest financial institutions. But more on that later. We just reported that our earnings for the first half of the year are up 2.3% from 2009. Our average deposits through June of 2010 are up 46 million from 2009, which is a 13% increase. Your confidence in Baker Boyer gives us a solid financial base so we can provide you with the loans and services you need. I have always believed that the way to keep you as a customer and maintain your trust is to provide you with solid financial advice. In fact, many years ago, my father shared with me that we are here to set up a plan to achieve your long-term goals. And therefore, we need to structure products and services that'll give you support in times of economic growth, and it'll help stabilize your situation in times of economic contraction. And because we are here to help you achieve outstanding financial success, we're pleased that our financial performance is solid and outstanding as well. We climbed to 44th on the U.S. Banker list of top 200 community banks, and that places us in the top 50 most safe and sound community banks in the nation. We're also in the state's 100 best places to work, as ranked by Seattle Business Magazine for the 6th year in a row. I can tell you that being known as a great place to work really helps attract the highly skilled teams of bankers that assist you build your investment portfolios, get the credit you need for personal or business reasons, as well as providing guidance and long-term plans for your family. Now, for the Dodd-Frank Financial Reform and Consumer Protection Act that you've heard so much about. Since being appointed to the Portland branch of the Federal Reserve Board, I've had such an incredible opportunity to learn, and I've had the privilege to meet with several members of the administration, as well as our congressional delegation, to advocate for small businesses and Main Street communities like ours. I never miss an opportunity in those meetings to tell your stories. And to anyone that'll listen, and I hope you do as well, I remind them of the significant differences between community banks like Baker Boyer and the Wall Street banks that led us into this crisis. Based on what I've seen in the Dodd-Frank Act, this legislation, if enacted effectively, will have some positive benefits. For instance, I do believe that it will reduce the systemic risk in the financial industry. And I also know that it will bar lenders from getting incentives to offer home buyers high-priced loans that they cannot afford. It is an honor to lead the state's oldest independent bank through these unprecedented times. And as always, I welcome your thoughts, and I will use my voice to carry the values of this region to the national level. I really appreciate your business, and we look forward to working with you to secure a brighter financial future. Thank you, and have a great summer.